Watch the significant meaning of the 4 market days in Igbo land, an interesting drama by Adaigbozuruoke Crew. In Igbo culture, the 4 market days in the traditional Igbo calendar, which includes Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo, are very significant. Each market day is associated with specific meanings and significance. Eke Market Day is connected to the sun and light in Igbo culture because it is believed to be associated with the peak of the sun's strength. In Igbo cosmology, Eke is linked to the sun god, symbolizing light, warmth, and life-giving energy. In some Igbo traditions, the Eke Market Day is also associated with Anyanwu, the sun deity, who is revered for bringing light and prosperity. This connection to the sun and light underscores the importance of Eke Market Day as a time for positivity, growth, and spiritual renewal. In this video, the pregnant woman needs Eke, the goddess of the sun, Anyanwu, to survive. Here comes Orie. Orie Market Day is associated with water and femininity. Orie is linked to the goddess of fertility, prosperity, and the earth, symbolizing nourishment and life-giving forces. Water represents spiritual cleansing, renewal, and abundance. Orie Market Day is believed to be a day when the energies of water and fertility are prominent, making it significant for rituals, ceremonies, and prayers related to fertility, prosperity, and community well-being. This connection highlights the importance of Orie Market Day in Igbo traditions, emphasizing harmony with nature and cycles of life. In this video, Orie, the water goddess, came for cleansing, renewal, nourishment, and life-giving forces. Let's talk about Afo, the market day that is associated with the earth goddess, Ani or Allah, representing fertility, abundance, and the land itself. It is a day to honor the earth's fertility, abundance, and life-giving forces. Afo is like the earth's energy, symbolizing stability, growth, and nourishment. Think rich soil, bountiful harvest, and community prosperity. Afo is like the heartbeat of Igbo agriculture and tradition, possessing with energy and reverence for the land that sustains them. This connection emphasizes Afo's significance in Igbo tradition, focusing on agriculture, land fertility, and community prosperity. Rituals and ceremonies on Afo Market Day often honor the earth goddess, seeking blessings for bountiful harvest and community well-being. In this video, the Mbafo, earth goddess, came to save the pregnant woman with the earth's energy through the green vegetation of Mother Earth. Then the last but not the least, Nkwo is not left aside. Nkwo Market Day is associated with the element of air in Igbo culture. Nkwo is linked to the god of thunder and storms, symbolizing change, movement, and spiritual growth. Air represents intellectual pursuits, communication, and the breath of life. On Nkwo Market Days, the energies of air are prominent, making it a significant day for spiritual practice, divination, and seeking guidance. Now in this video, the pregnant woman collapsed while walking with the husband in a lonely path. Luckily for them, there was the drunkard on the path who was able to invite the goddess of the sun, Anyanwu, the Eke Market Day. Eke came and did her own, followed by Orie, the goddess of water. Then Afo joined, the goddess of earth that comes with fertility and the product of earth. Now, to crown it all, we have Nkwo, who is going to give this dying lady the air to breathe. In this video, Mbankwo, goddess of thunder and storm, came to give the pregnant woman the breath of life. And you can see she breathed the life and put to bed. They are now jubilating, going home so happily. This is the 4 elements of earth, very important in Igbo culture. The end.